In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a backdoor Roth IRA. A backdoor Roth IRA will allow you to open a Roth IRA even if you make over the IRS's income limit of $153,000 as a single filer and $228,000 as joint filers. In step one, you're going to make a $6,500 contribution to a non-deductible traditional IRA. And you can do this at just about any broker. I prefer Vanguard or Fidelity. And it's important to note that you can make a $7,500 contribution if you're over the age of 50. Step two, you're going to leave the money that you just put in your traditional IRA that you just opened in step one in cash. Do not invest it yet. Step three, you're going to open a Roth IRA at the same broker as step one. In step four, you're going to transfer the $6,500 from your traditional IRA to your newly opened Roth IRA. Step five, you're going to invest the money that you just put in your Roth IRA. I personally prefer investing in low-cost index funds, but feel free to invest in a target date fund if you're still learning the ins and outs of investing. Step six, and this is an important one, you can do this every single year. Feel free to ask questions in the comment section below, and I do offer one-on-one coaching, so if you need one-on-one coaching, book your coaching call today through the Stan Store link in my bio. Ladies and gentlemen, financial knowledge is power. Please like and follow for more.